cooking fans, welcome to Then We Eat, our brand new YouTube channel where we're showcasing our family favorite recipes. Today's recipe, double baked potatoes. You're going to start by scrubbing the potatoes, just get some of the grime off them. Then you're going to cook them in a preheated 350-degree oven for an hour and a half, or until fork tender. Now you're going to start prepping the toppings for your potatoes. I like to start with the bacon. I cut the bacon into small little pieces. I find it cooks easier that way, but a lot of other people like to cook the bacon and then crumble it in. Whatever works for you. I start the bacon in a cold frying pan. I find that way that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Give it a little smush around and just let it cook until it's nicely brown. Come back every so often and give it a mix, just so it doesn't burn to the bottom. You can see it's starting to turn brown. There it is, turning brown. It is starting to bubble. You know when it starts to bubble that you're getting close to being done. Just about there. That's how I like my bacon, nice and crispy. Now you're going to spoon it out onto a paper towel. If I had used a bigger paper towel, I wouldn't have made quite a mess. Now we need to grate some Parmesan cheese. This grater works best for me. We're going to use some fresh chives from the garden. Washed, of course. Start with a cup of cold butter and place that in your bowl. I like to use cold butter because the warm potatoes will melt the butter. Cut your potatoes in half and scoop out all the insides. Potatoes are hot, so you might want to use an oven mitt. Cut your chives into a small bowl. I used about a half a cup of chives. There we are, cutting them all up. I use scissors. I find that works the best for cutting them. Use a cup of sour cream. Get it all nice and smooth in the bowl. And a half a cup of the shredded Parmesan cheese. You can see the butter's already in the bowl. It's started to melt. So give the potatoes a quick smash. Some chunks are good. Add your sour cream, your Parmesan, your chives, give it a mix, add your bacon. Now you're ready to start filling your potato boats. Now it's time to fill your boats. Pat your potato mixture in. I like to fill them until they're just level with the top. That way I know that I've got enough potato to fill all the boats and I can come back with any extra and top them up. Just like now, you go back and just top them up. See which ones need a little bit extra. I like to do extra when I make my potatoes and put them in the freezer. They're great for during the week when you're busy and you need a potato for dinner. They store well in the freezer for up to 3 months. When you're ready to use them, just take them out, thaw them, bake them in a 350-degree oven for about 20-25 minutes. If they're fresh, bake them at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. You just want to heat them up. And there's the finished product, Don't they look good? Yum. They were good. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, click the like button, share it with all your friends. Hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below on what you put in your potatoes. And just remember, first we cook, then we eat.